So the next thing on Tacoma project day is Spike. So Spike's got some issues. The less important one, but the one I'm going to fix first, is the guts in the Thrush turbo muffler that I put on it when I first got the truck, so just over 2 years ago. The guts in that thing are just rattling around like crazy, and I can't stand the like rattling, bangy, clangy sound that it has underneath it. So I picked up this MagnaFlow style knockoff off of eBay for whatever it was, $50. So I'm going to replace that. And then we got to dig into the right side ball joints are bad. So what I found is when I'm driving, the ball joint has enough play. It's allowing the knuckle to sit in here just pinch slightly, which is putting pressure against the outer shaft, which is then catching and spinning, which is then trying to, spin the whole front diff and everything, which is causing some weird vibrations in the front end when I'm driving. So, yeah, brand new Moog parts when the truck was built, 14,000 miles ago or less. And, I understand that it gets used off-road. I don't know. Maybe I'm harder on stuff than I think, but this just seems pretty weak, pretty premature. I'm guessing all this junk is made in China anymore, and I'm extremely disappointed in it, I'll say that. However, the funds aren't available currently to do ball joint eliminators or Dynatrack ball joints or something like that. So for now, we're going to stick some AC Delco replacements in this side and hope for the best. Yeah, so that's the fun of today. Let's get started. The beauty of working under Spike as opposed to Sean's Tacoma is that I'm literally sitting on the floor with my legs crossed. And yeah, not too bad. So we'll see if the clamps that I put on here probably are just as good as the muffler was, I'm sure. Yeah, we should be able to just throw the impact gun on them, spin them off, and swap it out. So, yeah, that didn't go to plan. Never does. The clamp style, pinched the pipe, had to cut the pipe, split it around the existing pipe. And now we'll probably got to do the same to this end, because it made like a crimp, basically, so it doesn't want to slide back off. So we got to cut this end off. We'll get it apart, and then, we'll get the new muffler up in there and clamp it all back together, hopefully. So I recently gotten a CAT efficiency code, and I thought maybe it was because the guts in the muffler were blocking or plugging, but you can hear the guts in the catalytic converter bouncing around. So yeah, I guess it's not that. And the new muffler is installed, so see if we can see what it sounds like. So I'm sure nobody really wants to watch me do a ball joint, but maybe in time-lapse form. This is kind of a crappy job, but it's got to get done. So we got it all apart. Yeah, not too bad. Of course, it hasn't been that long ago since it was just put together. So gonna just double verify the ball joints I got are correct. I need to go pick up an axle seal. I forgot about that. That hub seal. And yeah, I'm gonna have to go grab one of those because it's Saturday and the parts stores won't be open too much longer. So going to grab the ball joints, double check those, and go for a quick parts run. Okay, quick trip to the parts store for the seal. Let's get these ball joints pressed back in that knuckle. Put this thing back together. Well, we got the truck together, and there's no better place to take it for a test ride than somewhere where you can find the river. You can hear the river. There's the truck. It's made it this far. So peaceful and calm. It's nice being able to just putz around in the woods and not have the muffler rattling and clanking and stuff the whole time. It's just kind of a nice, relaxed night, but just keep stopping along these spots that we found. It's our first time down this way, so pretty cool.
It's clicking like it's not locked. I turned it. It'll lock sooner or later. Okay. So right now we're just in two-wheel drive, low range, second gear, just putzing. You see about dead in the middle on my side, there's that real short stubby piece. I'd hate to have a tire grab that thing. I think will break, but like I said, I mean it's breaking tires. We'll just pop her into 4. Not that I think we need it, but there we go. Better safe than sorry. Pretty good downhill slope on my side and a pretty good uphill slope on the passenger side. Well, what a cool spot. This is neat. Let's see if we can keep the passenger, the driver's door off of this tree. Maybe. Huh.
Keep backing up.
So this tree is a little...
Turn right and go get a little bit of momentum. You're just going over an angle block with a bunch of wet bark. There you go.
If we were to revisit, it'd be worth bringing a saw. It's pretty sweet.
Here we go. Oh yeah. Well, this is neat. This is the kind of spots you look for when you're doing this stuff. You can like walk right up to the edge and look down, see things. Beautiful. Sounds like I got issues in the left front now. I swear, it never ends. The right front's nice and quiet. The exhaust system isn't rattling anymore. Except for that, you can hear that cat rattle a little bit. Not too bad. But, yeah. Always something.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't